A big breaking update to a story we've been following for months. We're talking about a deadly fight that happened outside a restaurant in Northwest. In just the last hour, D.C.'s U.S. Attorney's Office released video of that deadly fight. You may remember police initially said they were on the lookout for this man, who they say delivered the fatal punch. That punch led to the death of 41-year-old Vivek Taneja, an Alexandria tech executive. Our Rafael Sanchez Cruz just got done looking over this footage. Rafa, what do we know and what does it show?
Yeah, well, it's important footage. So here's what we know so far. This case went before a grand jury and witnesses testified in the case. But ultimately, the U.S. Attorney's Office says after reviewing this video, prosecutors decided not to move forward with the charges against the man who threw the fatal punch. Before we get to the video, we warn you, this might be hard to watch because 6 days later, after this fight, Taneja died. So let's set the scene. This video has no audio. Police say this happened February 2nd around 2 in the morning in the courtyard outside a DC lounge on 15th Street Northwest. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You can see what appears to be an altercation involving 2 men and 2 women. So right now you're seeing that fight. That 41-year-old Vivek Taneja is the man wearing gold or camel jacket. Now, the video was provided by the U.S. Attorney's Office. It shows Taneja throwing the first punch. After a brief fight, Taneja falls to the ground. In a letter dated June 5th, Laura Bach, the deputy chief of the homicide section of the U.S. Attorney's Office for D.C., told D.C. police that her office did not believe they could definitely say the incident wasn't self-defense. Bach wrote, "There is nothing we learned during the course of our investigation that materially changes what is clearly depicted on the video, that Mr. Taneja made the first physical contact and threw the first punch." Now, the U.S. Attorney's Office says, although they don't know what led up to the punch, those mere words, no matter how insulting, offensive, or abusive, do not constitute aggression under law. Now, in a letter obtained by the Taneja family through their lawyer, Vivek's sister writes, "We have been silent, waiting for the U.S. Attorney's Office to assist us in obtaining justice in the D.C. courts for my brother's murder. We put our trust in prosecutors in this case and now feel that the justice system has let us down." We, of course, have been reporting on this for months, and we have all the reporting up on our website, as well as the U.S. Attorney's official letter to D.C. police and the family's full statement. You can find all that on WUSA9.com. And of course, we'll have more at 11, Leslie.
Yeah, we've been asking questions and we've been waiting for this video, and now we've had a chance to see it. Rafa, thank you.